My dear students, today I will tell you about the quadrilateral. Right? Already I told you, but the quadrilateral is one of the important thing. I will tell you the different parts of a quadrilateral. So now here I have drawn a quadrilateral. The name of a quadrilateral is, we use QUAD, quad, right? ABCD. This is how we represent a quadrilateral. Okay? No need of writing full. You can write quad. You can put a dot also. Quadrilateral ABCD. This is how you have to write. So this ABCD should be always A, B, C, D. That means clockwise and anti-clockwise and clockwise. So you cannot write A, C, B, D. This is wrong notation. Because A, C, B, D, it's not correct. You have to write these letters continuously like this or like this. Now I have written A, B, C, D. This is anti-clockwise. A, B, C, D. This is how you have to represent, denote a quadrilateral. This is notation of a quadrilateral. Now let us see how to note the, how to write the sides. Now AB is a side, so you should use always two letters, and AB is one side. Okay, you can write B also, AB or BA, both are okay. Now BC is one more side. That means BC is one more side. Side always should be with two letters, right? B and C. CD is one more side. Okay, you can write CD or DC, and DA is one more side. You can write AD also. There are four sides. This is how you have to represent the side. This is the representation of the sides of the quadrilateral. Now how to represent the angle? Let us come from A. This is angle A. In short, we write angle A. If you want to write this angle A completely, BAD, angle BAD or angle DAB. So this notation is okay, this is okay, and this is okay. Better if you learn all the notations. That means angle will be denoted with three letters. The vertex should be in the middle. A is the vertex. A should be in the middle. So you can write the other two, BD or DAB. That is okay. So here you should single representation also, single letter also. This A should be the vertex. Okay. When to use this? When there is nothing here, only one angle is there, you can use this. Suppose when a line is there like this, what happened? Here there are two angles, 1 and 2. In such cases, this is wrong. You have to be very careful when you can use this representation, when you can use this representation. So better always represent, learn how to represent the angle. Okay. So now I will use the short letters like a single letter. Angle A is one angle, this is one more angle, this is one more angle. So angle A, angle C and angle D. Sometimes we represent with numbers also, 3, 4. So that means angle 1, angle 2, angle 3, angle 4. Sometimes you can represent with the small letters also, not capital letters. A, B and C and D. So that means angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Sorry, here I have written capital letter, wrong. So D. So you should not use capital letters here, because capital letters we are using for the vertices. Vertices always should be used capital letters. Angles you can use any small letters. Now diagonals, this is the another part. So diagonal also is a line segment AC. So AC is one line diagonal and BD is one more diagonal. So AC you can have CA also, BD, DB also, there is no problem. right? So these are the parts of a quadrilateral, right? We have few more terms we have to learn from the quadrilateral. Let me tell you. Adjacent sides. This is, what are adjacent sides? Adjacent sides means one after the other. AB, BC are adjacent sides. Okay, AB adjacent to BC, BC adjacent to CD, and CD adjacent to AD. So that means adjacent means one after the other. In between them there will be one vertex. Like that also you can remember. So BC, AB are adjacent, BC, CD are adjacent, AD, CD are adjacent, like that. Adjacent sides. Now we have adjacent angles also. What are adjacent angles? What are adjacent angles? Very simple. They are also like this. Angle A, angle B are adjacent angles. Okay. Angle 2, 3 also adjacent angles. I am using different notation here. So they are adjacent. They are adjacent to each other. Okay. So now 3 and 4 are adjacent. 4 and 1 are adjacent. Angle D and angle A are adjacent. C and angle D are adjacent. Angle B and angle C are adjacent. These are adjacent angles. Very, very important. Please all of you remember what are adjacent angles, what are adjacent sides. Now one more thing, when there is adjacent, there is opposite also. Opposite sides. So what are the opposite sides? Suppose if you take AB is the one side, opposite to AB is this CD. So AB, CD are opposite sides. Suppose if you take AD as one side and its opposite side is BC. Right? So these are opposite sides. So there are two pairs of opposite sides. Two pairs. Now there are, how many pairs of adjacent sides are there? You list out and you can remember. Now opposite sides are over. Then opposite angles. What are opposite angles? Right? Pair of opposite angles also you can say. So if you take A and opposite to A is C. A and C are opposite angles. If you take B, then what is the opposite angle to B? Opposite to B is D. So how many pairs are there? Here also there are two pairs of opposite angles. Okay, so these are the different terms of a quadrilateral. Sides, angles, diagonals, adjacent sides, adjacent angles, opposite sides and opposite angles. So if you know all these things, then you can go to the higher concepts of the quadrilateral. See you in my next video. Bye bye.